Hey friend! So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own custom wrapping paper using simple tools that you probably already have. Whether you're designing for your business, the holidays, or a special gift, I'm going to walk you step by step so you can make something beautiful, professional, and totally unique. Let's jump in to learn the 3 ways you can get your custom wrapping paper. Let's go, friend. Hey, friend. Welcome back to Doing It with Tyronzia. So we're going to jump right into it. How to print your custom wrapping paper when you're designing inside of Canva. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to templates, right? And you can do wrapping paper. And it's going to bring up the different wrapping papers that you can choose from. Or if you like me, you like to create your own, you can create a blank wrapping paper. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to edit one of the templates that Canva already has printed. Well, not printed, but already designed. If you want to create an image of your family member or yourself, you can pick one like this. You see they have pictures of different family members, which I think is pretty cool. And you can just scroll through the already pre-designed templates and pick one that you like, or like I said before, you can do one from scratch. I'm gonna try to find one that I like. Let's find one. And if you follow different creators here on Canva, you can always jump in and go on their page because they pretty much have the same style as you like. So start following different designers on Canva. That way you already know, okay, this person designs nice designs and I like them. So you don't have to go through the thousands of templates that Canva have loaded. You can go to someone's site that you like. Now this one is nice. So we're going to click on this one. And we're just going to do customize this template. But you see right here, if you let Canva print it for you, it's a 7-foot roll and it's for $30, right? If you get 2 packs, you get a $2 discount. Now if you go to the 18-foot roll for pretty much 11 feet more for an additional $6. So I think, to me, this would be your better choice. So we'll just do customize this template. Now, say for instance, I didn't want Goofy on here. I'll just delete Goofy. I'll delete Goofy right on off the page. Now that Goofy's gone, you can either go to Elements and find Christmas design, Christmas tree. Or you can just put Christmas and it'll bring up, y'all see I've been looking at frames, so that's what Canva want me to look at. Okay, if you read this, it's telling me this template is part of a special collection. That means you can only use the content provided for our full library. So we're just going to do browse Canva templates. That's an easy fix, right? And we can come right back here and we can do Christmas. No, we can just do wrapping paper. And I'm not deleting this out because you guys are going to run into these issues and you're going to say, well, she told me to do it like this, and then you're going to be mad at me. And let me see if they're going to let me do this one. We're going to do the same thing, do customize, because I don't want y'all mad at me because y'all up designing late at night and then you run into an issue. So you just come to Elements. Okay, now it's giving us the different choices that we want. And we can do Christmas tree. We can just do Christmas and see what design comes up. If you want a photograph or if you want graphics, that's your choice. I'm probably going to use a graphic for this one. I'm going to show you 2 different ways. I could probably use this little gingerbread man. I could take this tree, delete this tree, add him. And then I can add him in that place. If I want to just leave the tree and add him every other, I can. Okay. And I'm going to show you two different methods, well, one different method, and give you a suggestion. Okay. And I'll just do that for each line. Same process for each line. Okay. Now, another thing you can do is go to Creative Fabrica and you can type in Christmas image. Because we don't know what we want, right? You're waiting on it to pull up. Well, I'm just going to say Christmas. That's pretty cool. I like him. He's pretty cool. So you can find something that you like. If you got a dog lover, we're going to do this one because we have a lot of dog lovers, right? And you're just going to click on it. Then you're going to click on download. And make sure y'all read this to see how the actual designer told you can use it. And right here you see Christmas dogs, but it's in the zip file. If you got a zip file, just simply right click it, do extract all, do extract, give it a few minutes. Okay, and there it is. So now I'm just going to go back into Canva, and I'm going to go to upload. I'm going to do upload Christmas, click on it, and it's uploading. Now it looks like this design, I'm going to see if it has a transparent background. Real quick, friend, before we jump any further, I want to invite you to my Skool community, Better Together. Yes, that's right. We are better together. If you're a working entrepreneur, a crafter, or a digital designer who wants to build real income using digital products, Canva, and AI, this is the place just for you. Inside the community, you'll get weekly live training with me, step-by-step tutorials, brainstorming support, and a positive space full of women who are growing and winning together. It's only $5 a month because I want it to be affordable and accessible for everybody who's serious about leveling up. And hey, friend, I told y'all in multiple videos, 2 $5 communities changed the way I did business, and I want to give you the same opportunity. Jump in, let's go, and let's do it together, friend. Now continue watching this video. Transparent background or not, but we'll see. Yeah, I see it brought me back to the one that we initially started on, but we can use that one since we're already here. I don't want to go back and forth. Okay, so it doesn't, that's cute. It doesn't have a background. So we can just use them, make them smaller. We want to center them between the winter wishes and do the same thing. Just duplicate it. Duplicate it and put it there. Okay, so I did put it on pause while I was doing it. So now you see we have it all lined up. It looks good. And if you see the left to the right of this, it's showing you how this layout will look. This is like your full sheet of your wrapping paper. Also, when it comes time to print it, you go right here to, you can either do one or two things. You can print with Canva. And the cool thing about Canva, it's going to give you templates that you can share with your customer. If you want to use it to market these, you can use this to be able to use as a mock-up to market it to your customer. Now, you just go to continue and follow direction. It takes about a week, a few days over a week, but understand that it is the holiday season and mail is going to be a little bit delayed. Okay, now you also can just go to share, go to download. You can download it, and you can save it to your computer and then send it to a local print shop. I know Staples prints wrapping paper, or if you have your own printer, a lot of people have a 24-inch printer. You can print your own wrapping paper. So there you have it. You can offer a Christmas paper with or without a printer. Just come into Canva and have fun. Just have fun, okay? Let me know If you have any questions in the comments, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Well, not like, follow, and share. I'm on the wrong platform. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Help me reach more people by subscribing to this channel. It lets YouTube know that you guys are really watching. All right, friend. Until next time.